I am burning up here today because I'm right here about to tour a very hot home in the beautiful city of Monterey Park. Brand new roof, fully remodeled. You're going to love it. Come check it out. And let me make a deal with you. Stay with me until the end. I'm going to share with you all the phenomenal details about this home, all the new things in this home. It really should just be a new construction overall. As you walk right through the front door, you're going to be invited into a warm, cozy living room. And take a look at the exposed ceiling beams. It gives it a nice, trendy look. Take a look at this and reimagine what else you can do with it. And I want to show you something really cool here. This door right here, if you don't find it clear enough, hey look, this opens right up. You get this wonderful indoor-outdoor immersion right here. Take a look at this outdoor area. Let's reimagine it and see what you could be looking at every single day. You just want to step out and open up the whole wall, if anything. Right here, you get the kitchen. What's really cool, what I love about it, you have a nice little bar area. It's great to have a quick breakfast, and that could be more of a formal dining room, what you saw earlier. Plenty of storage cabinets here, but what I would love to do is absolutely open this up so you have open access, living room and kitchen, have a center island. That's something you guys do, long-term plans. We're gonna show you how that looks. And then if you take a look over here, right next to the kitchen, you have your second exit for emergencies. And then you're gonna have your washer and dryer area right here. Plenty of cabinets, put all your towels and your laundry detergent. Right next to this bathroom over here. Perfect standing shower. And if you take a look here, it's attached to the bedroom right over here. And of course, you can turn that into an office space. This bedroom is attached to the living room, or right next to the living room. I'll walk you through so you can see how it connects to the living room right over here. And then you're back out to the living room again. So you saw that one bedroom right next to the kitchen, but let's take a look at the rest of the bedrooms where they're a little bit more tucked away, where it's separate from the community areas. First bedroom we're looking at right here, that'll be a great child's room or playroom. Take a look at this. See what you can do here. You can do a bunk bed, a slide, a lot of things you can do here. What's really great about this? Plenty of storage. Look up here. If you're a growing family, you could stack up all the things starting when there's 0 to 18. Store everything in here. Oh, and look at this. Wonderfully remodeled bathroom. And you know what I love about the shower? Sometimes you don't want to stand in there when you're taking a 30-minute shower. You could just sit down, think about life. And I'm not sure if you've seen bathrooms like this or if you do this with your bathroom, but you put some plants here. Oh, it's like a little luxury oasis in the bathroom. And right outside the bathroom are more closets and storage. Oh, look at this. Wow. Wow. You could hide your skeletons in here, and then all your other things, your work stuff, your fun stuff, holiday decorations. Plenty of storage space for you and the entire family. Wow. You would have thought I came out of a whole new room, but that is just another storage area. Look at this. And this right here is the ultimate room. It is supposed to be the master bedroom. Perfect space for artwork, some figurines, a lot of your famous, cherished collectibles. Now, of course, me personally, I love a blank bedroom. So it could be an empty, quiet, meditative space. And right here, you have more storage space. Now, personally, I like having closet organizers because this space holds a lot already, but you could hold even more when you add closet organizers. I'm gonna show you the most important room of every single home, the garage. It is the most versatile part of a home. It is the ultimate blank canvas. It could be a storage junkyard, or look at this, it could be an entertainment space, game room, the potential. That's why I love the garage and I saved the best for last for you. Or you can, of course, store 2 cars there, but hey, look at the driveway space right here. Brand new driveway. Otherwise, you get one of those driveways full of cracks. And the color scheme of this home is phenomenal too. I love the contrast with a little gray and the red door. It really makes the door pop. Dual pane windows, whole brand new roof. This brand new roof should last you 20 years. The more I walk through this home, the more I find to love, and I think you will too. When your friends come by, they're like, wow, I wish I had a home just like this. And you could have a home just like this. If you like this home, or if you want something like this, reach out to me. Use my booking link. It's also in the description. Or you can go to the website and send us a message there as well. You can also use Facebook and Instagram. And they just lowered the price here. You won't believe what they changed it to, and you're gonna wanna get this home before it's gone. If you want to know more about the market and the market updates, check out my playlist for market updates.